Let's practice Surya Namaskara today. So join your hands together and chant Om Suryaya Namaha. Now relax your arms as you inhale. Take your arms up, arch your back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, forward bend, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back, Sun Salutation. Now slowly exhale and come to Adho Mukha. Now inhale and we'll come to plank. Palakasana. As you exhale, come to Ashtanga. Inhale, scoop up, Bhujanga. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg forward, Hasva Sanchalana. Exhale, Padhastasana, forward bend. Inhale, arch your back, Hasta Uttanasana and Namaste. Now, we'll be finishing our Surya Namaskara with left leg back. So now I will repeat in English. So hands up, arch, inhale, and as you breathe out, forward bend. Inhale, take your left leg back and come to lunge. Now as you exhale, come to downward facing dog. Now as you inhale, come to plank. Now as you exhale, come to salute with 8 limbs. Now we'll breathe in into upward facing dog. Exhale into downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg forward, lunge. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, lift up, arch your back and join your hands together. Namaste. Surya Namaskara is a sequence of 12 yoga postures performed in specific order. Hope you enjoyed it. Namaste.